बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम नाज़रीन। पाकिस्तान के पहले मार्बल फ्लोर पॉलिशिंग यूट्यूब चैनल क्लीन एंड शाइन मार्बल फ्लोर पॉलिशिंग पर खुशामदीद। आज हम एक प्रोडक्ट का रिव्यू करेंगे। ये पॉलिशिंग पाउडर है सिंगापुर का। इसे बनाया है एम केयर लैब प्राइवेट लिमिटेड ने। इसका नाम है जी स्टोर केयर लैब। SCL Tile number 2 white polishing powder। SCL Tile number 2 polishing powder designed to repair polished surface homogeneous tile where the original surface does not have a consistent shine or its surface is damaged by mild acid to surface a matte finish tile for easy maintenance। Description feature SCL Tile number 2 polishing powder is designed to bring back luster of polished surface homogeneous tile damaged by mild acid. A matte finish man-made tile traps dirt easy. SCL Tile number 2 powder has additional properties. It could resurface a matte finish tile without changing its original texture, and it give an easy maintenance. Additional properties: does not contain any wax compound. When regularly used, it give an easy maintenance to matte finish man-made tile. Recommend to use in conjunction with SCL Stoneclean-Xtra solution. When used in conjunction with SCL Happy Shine Wax, it can achieve a super shine finished on polished surface homogeneous tile. Direction to use: send request to M Care Lab for application procedure. Application procedure shall depend on severity of damage and requirement. Approximate coverage: 1 kg covers 40 meter to 50 meter. Available packing size: white 750 gram 5 kg 20 kg. Available packing size: black 750 gram 4 kg 15 kg. Color available: black and white. Important note: this product is intended for professional use only. Recommend weight of the floor polishing machine is between 60 kg to 80 kg and running at 175 rpm. A badly damaged surface by acid needs the professional's diamond polishing. Purchasers are required to test suitability of the product for their intended use. M Care Lab Private Limited makes no warranty expressed or implied on the products and effects. M Care Lab Private Limited has not responsible for any risks or liabilities, direct, indirect, or consequential arising out of the used or inability to use the product। ये इनकी और भी काफ़ी सारी प्रोडक्ट्स हैं। ग्रेनाइट के लिए मार्बल पॉलिशिंग पाउडर इनका एक और है SCL 106 मार्बल पॉलिशिंग पाउडर। ये होनिंग पाउडर है। M Care is a stone care restoration company with over 20 years of experience. You can trust our professional with peace of mind। ये इनका कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर। YouTube चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दें और बेल आइकन प्रेस कर दें।